What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Spang's World. Today we're doing another U-joint for you, but we're going to actually use the ball joint press here to get it out. If you don't have one, you can go get one at O'Reilly's or something. You have to pay for it, but if you return it, you get it for free, or you get your money back, I should say. So free rentals, more or less. But anyways, they run about $140, $150 and stuff, but that's what we're going to use today. I'll link up above. When we did these ones, we used a hammer and socket to get these ones out and change them out and stuff. And if you don't want to go get one, you can go check that video out, link it up top. But let's dive into this one. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is remove your retaining clips. Come on, what's crap in there? All right, now you want to thread your tool together. If you got one, an impact helps a lot. You can also use a wrench or a socket. Get this lined up. See if the cap off, set this up on the opposite side now. Push it the other way. Now if I run out of real estate. No, shit. Why did that one not come out all the way? Alright, there's that. Probably broke that. Broke the greaser here. Oh well, get a new one. Well, let's see if we can order a new one of these balls that go in the middle. I don't want to mess with it too much. I wonder what that's gonna take. Plus the end just broke on me also, right here. That broke, little retainer. I don't know why. All right, I need to get a new one of these, but it's about to snow. My wife wants a 4-wheel drive ready to go. So we're gonna throw it back in there. I'm just gonna grease this up real good before we put the U-joints back in. So we'll see how that goes. Not sure what the... Grease, where's my grease? Grease right here. It's wider. Alright. Just got some all-purpose grease here, nothing special. Whoa. I'll put it in here a little bit. There's no grease zerd on here, so as far as I know, there's none. It's kind of bad. Look how much that, I don't know if you can see that or not. There's kind of play, a little bit of play in there. Rotate around. Maybe this is my clicking noise. Hopefully that's my clicking noise. About every U-joint in here is new, except for the front drive shaft. Work it in there, baby. Oh yeah. How'd you learn that move? I know, bad jokes, but. Alright, that's greased back up. Let's put the lid on here before I make a mess, drop something. Let's get the U-joint in here. Pull these two ends off. Pull this one off also, then I have a little bit more room. Make sure I put it back on. Alright, a little bit of dirt on it. Pull that off, we don't get dirty. Throw this one back on just so I don't lose it. Slide the ends on the ends. Woo! It's cold outside. Here we go. That one in, flip it around to the other side. I might have to go scotch in a little bit more. Hit this side in. Whoops, I'm still in reverse. What's up, buddy? Alright. Dude, go get a jacket on, man. It's freaking cold. And center that up as best as possible. Right. That one's going in. Shoot that one in by hand, basically. Alright, let's swap to the other one. I want to try and line these up better. Before I hammer down on them with the... I think they're both just sliding in fairly good. Probably might be wore out a little bit too. Alright, let's pop this in. That was way too much. You go ahead a little bit. That should work. That one needs to go in just a little. Alright, we just tacked this in here. I screwed up. I put one of the rings in and then pushed on it, thinking I could get that to close up a little bit, and ended up pushing through. And it started feeling tight and stuff, but my bad. I'll end up ordering a whole, I gotta order one of these already back here, so we'll just order this also here and put a new U-joint in again whenever we can. Alright. Very simple job and stuff, probably take an hour or so. But yeah, if this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.